Hello everyone, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing great. Today, I have something super exciting. It's an iconic 68 Dodge Dart from Hot Wheels. If you're a fan of classic American muscle cars, this video is for you. So before we jump into the details, let's start unboxing. And here it is. As it features the white stripes on the roof, the bold, original Ram Chargers logo, and the copper Dodge and Hot Wheels logos. Plus, those white Goodyear decals on the sides and the Mopar on the hood, which really makes the diecast shine. As it comes with the sleek body lines and the vibrant racing graphics makes it truly pops up, as this miniature diecast car captured the real-life Dodge Dart perfectly, as it's a timeless classic that has truly stood the test of the time. So when you roll it, it glides smoothly because of its balanced weight. Over the years, this model has been released in various colors and styles, as it symbolizes the golden age of the American automotive culture, blending style, performance, and practicality. Plus, its appearance in movies and pop culture have only added to its legendary status. How cool is that? So, if you're a collector or just love the classic muscle cars, the 68 Dodge Dart by Hot Wheels is a must have for your collection. Thanks for tuning in today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome car reviews. Until then, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting. See you next time.